everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's project we are going to refurbish this ugly cabinet into this beautiful one. Okay, so let's begin our project by painting this ugly, disgusting cabinet. Okay, so I'm using this white water-based paint. Okay, let's just keep on brushing it all over this like what I said, very disgusting cabinet. This cabinet actually is been inside my kitchen before, but I tried to tidy up the kitchen. I like it to be more spacious, so I took this off and I just leave it outside the terrace. And now this is the outcome of leaving it outside for a long period of time. And you know, normally people here in Hong Kong, they just dump it in the dump site and it's gonna end up in the landfill. But for me, I really don't like doing that, so I just leave it outside my terrace, and I know that I can use it again later on for something else. That's why I don't really throw things away, guys. And now I came to a point where I want to use this again, and that's the reason why I'm trying to refurbish it. And one of the reasons why I'm showing you this, guys, because you know, normally people, they can be bothered, you know, once they see this, the ugliness, it looks so disgusting, you know, they just want to dump it in the dump site or rubbish bin, you know. So anyway, it's just again just to how do you call that, inspire people to refurbish their old stuff, or those disgusting stuff that they have. They can make it beautiful again by just repainting it, just like I'm doing, guys. It is very easy and simple. Just get a paint, any color of your choice. I normally use water base. Okay, and it is quite rewarding, actually, you know, doing refurbishing, recycling. I find it very rewarding after you see your project, the outcome. It makes me very happy. Okay, actually it is not as simple as what I thought, you know, painting this little design on the side, because you have to really you know, brush, walk your brush through it, right? Because I tried to just you know, rub it with the brush, but it didn't work, especially maybe it's been a long time that it's been sitting outside. So it's not as simple as what I thought, you know. But then again, you know, that's the good thing about when you have all this design. That's the reason why I like to make it, you know, in our house. I just like to make it everything simple, nice and plain. But anyway, this is very cute little cabinet, guys. So that's the reason why when I saw it outside, and I was thinking of, you know, refurbishing it, and now it's done, guys, and I just leave it until it dry, you know. And this is the outcome of our ugly, disgusting cabinet. So once again, guys, thank you very much for watching, and if you like my project, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.